Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy BChikk here, and today in this video I'll be unboxing the Bluetooth Moki speaker. It is waterproof, it is a pocket speaker so you can put it in your pocket, and yeah, so let's get to the unboxing part. Alright guys, let's get to the unboxing part. So right here we are unboxing the Moki Bluetooth speaker. So first we need to cut off those sticker, and then we have to pull that tab out to get the Moki Bluetooth speaker itself. Okay, so on the bottom you see like a box with blue topping. I think the topping. So we have that Moki Bluetooth speaker. The outer box itself looks pretty amazing with my favorite color, light blue. So yeah, let's put the box away. And now we have that Moki Bluetooth speaker. Okay, put that away first. So right on that topping we have like a small mini box. Okay, in here the box we have like a user manual guide that walks you through how to set up the thing, how to use it. So yeah, let's put that away. And right now we can see the charging part and the aux in and out cable. Okay, that's the aux in and out cable, and we have the USB to USB mini USB charging port, and of course we have that hooker to hook it on our pockets. So let me demonstrate how you can hook on them. You just pull that back and you slide it into that silver roundish thingamajiggy, and ta-da, you've got it. Okay, put that away as well. Let me give you like a full rotation view of the product. So right here you can see the charging station, the aux in and out station. Okay, we've got some buttons, the volume up, volume down, power button, and the pause and stop button. Okay, so let's start up this bad boy. Whoa, that was awesome. That was like amazing. So let's hear that again. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so now I've got a little sound test for you guys. So yeah. Sound test. We have the high volume. And now we have the low volume. The low. And high.